Bert and Kip, Episode 23, Ice Cubes. It was a hot day at the beach.
I need to cool off,
said Bert.
Me too,
said Kip. Kip saw a big red box.
I wonder what's in there,
he said.
I'll look in and see,
said Bird. Bird flew over the box.
Ice cubes!
She cried.
There are ice cubes in the box!
Bird flew into the box. Kip climbed up the side of the box. He jumped into the ice. Kip went under the ice. He popped back out. Grrr, said Kip. Bird laughed.
This ice feels great,
said Kip.
Yep,
said Bird.
It doesn't get any better than this.
Hey, yelled a man. There's a bird and chipmunk in the cooler. Bird and Kip escaped fast.
That was fun,
said Bird.
Yes,
said Kip.
But I'm still hot.
Bird and Kip, Episode 24, Ice Cream. Bird and Kip went to the boardwalk.
Even the boardwalk is hot,
said Bird.
Let's look in the trash cans,
said Kip.
Maybe we'll find cups with ice.
Bird and Kip looked in the trash cans. They looked near the pizza place. They looked near the hot dog place. There was no ice. But Kip saw something else.
Ice cream! Forget it, Kip,
said Bird.
The ice cream is just for people.
Suddenly, plop! The ice cream cone landed next to them.
My ice cream cone,
cried the boy.
I'll get you another one,
said his mom. Kip stuck his face in the ice cream. Brrr, he said. Bird stuck her face in the ice cream.
Brrr,
she said. The friends laughed and laughed. At last, they were cool. Bird and Kip, Episode 25, Good at Something. One morning, Bird was drawing.
What are you doing?
asked Kip.
I'm drawing a bird.
Said Bird.
Wow!
Said Kip.
I didn't know you liked to draw.
Oh, I love to draw.
Said Bird.
You're very good at it.
Said Kip.
I wish I was good at something.
You're good at something.
Said Bird.
You're good at cooking. You made that yummy acorn gumbo.
But it smelled bad.
Said Kip.
So I'm not that good at cooking. I wish I was very good at something.
There must be something.
Said Bird. Kip tried to think of something. He thought and thought. At last, he had an idea.
I know, Bird.
Said Kip.
Watch this.
What are you doing?
Asked Bird.
I'm standing on my head.
Said Kip.
I'm going to be very good at it.
Bird and Kip, Episode 26, Upside Down Kip. Kip was standing on his head. Bird laughed.
You're very silly, Kip.
And I'm standing on my head.
Said Kip.
Soon I'll be very good at it.
You're doing great.
Said Bird.
You're very good at standing on your head.
I think I'll do this all day long.
Said Kip. Just then, a ladybug flew by. It flew all around. Then it landed on Kip's foot. It walked across his toes.
Hey,
Kip laughed.
that tickles.
Kip started to lose his balance.
Uh-oh,
He said.
I'm going to fall.
Boom!
Kip, are you okay?
Asked Bird.
I'm not hurt,
Said Kip.
but I'm not happy anymore.
Why not?
Asked Bird.
Because I fell down.
Said Kip.
I didn't stand on my head all day long. So I'm not very good at it.
Bird and Kip, Episode 27, Silly Kip. Kip still wanted to be good at something. He got some of his acorns,
Watch this, Bird.
said Kip. He started to juggle the acorns. Plonk, plink, pling. One by one, they fell down. Bird laughed.
You are so silly, Kip.
I'm silly.
Said Kip.
but I'm not good at anything.
Kip got his jump rope.
Watch this, Bird.
He said. Kip started to jump rope. But the rope got stuck on a branch,
Help!
said Kip. He swung around and around and around. Bird laughed again.
You are so silly, Kip.
I'm silly,
Said Kip.
but I'm not good at anything.
Bird was quiet for a moment.
I just thought of something.
She said.
Something you are very good at.
What am I good at?
Asked Kip.
Making me laugh.
Said Bird. Bird and Kip, episode 28. Looking at a newspaper. Kip was reading a newspaper. He saw an ad for Ocean Aquarium. Thought Kip.
The aquarium looks like fun. Maybe Bird would like to go with me.
Kip climbed up the tree.
Hey, Bird,
He called.
do you want to?
But Bird was not in her nest.
Where is Bird?
Kip wondered. Kip climbed back down the tree.
She must be somewhere around here.
He said.
I'll go and look for her.
Meanwhile, Bird was reading a newspaper too. Thought Bird.
The aquarium looks like fun. Maybe Kip would like to go with me.
Bird flew back to the tree.
Hey, Kip!
She called.
Do you want to...
But Kip was not in his hole.
Where is Kip?
Bird wondered. Bird and Kip, episode 29. Looking for Kip, looking for Bird. Bird was looking for Kip. Kip was looking for Bird. Bird looked near the giant rock first. Then she looked near the playground.
Where is Kip?
She wondered. Kip looked near the playground first. Then he looked near the giant rock.
Where is Bird?
He wondered. Bird saw Mouse.
Have you seen Kip?
Asked Bird.
Yes, I have.
Said Mouse.
I saw Kip near the giant rock.
Kip saw Squirrel.
Have you seen Bird?
Asked Kip.
Yes, I have,
Said Squirrel.
I saw Bird near the playground.
Kip went back to the playground. He didn't see Bird. Bird went back to the giant rock. She didn't see Kip.
Oh, well.
Said Kip.
I'll go to the aquarium by myself.
Oh well,
Said Bird.
I'll go to the aquarium by myself.
Bird and Kip. Episode 30. Looking at Fish. Bird flew around the aquarium.
Look at all these fish.
She said.
I wish Kip was here.
Kip walked around the aquarium.
Look at all these fish.
He said.
I wish Bird was here.
Bird saw an octopus. She touched a huge stingray. She fed some sea turtles. Kip spotted a shark. It looked scary and mean. And it had lots of sharp teeth.
Ah!
Cried Kip. Kip ran away from the shark. He ran as fast as he could. Crash!
Squawk!
Cried Bird.
Sorry about that.
Said Kip. Then Bird and Kip looked at each other.
You're here.
They both said. The two friends laughed.
I'm glad you're here, Bird.
Said Kip.
The aquarium will be more fun with you.
And I'm glad you're here, Kip.
Said Bird.
Everything is more fun with you.
Bird and Kip. Episode 31. Kip's birthday.
I can't wait.
Said Bird.
Kip is going to be so surprised.
It was Kip's birthday. Bird was planning a surprise party. It was going to be at the pond. Everyone in the park was invited. Bird flew to her nest for party hats. Kip poked his head out of his hole.
Today is my birthday.
Said Kip.
I know.
Said Bird.
Happy birthday!
I'll see you at my party.
Said Kip. Bird gulped.
What party?
She asked.
I'm planning a party for myself,
said Kip.
It's going to be at the Giant Rock. Everyone in the park is invited.
Oh, no!
Thought Bird. Kip was planning his own party. And Bird was planning a party too. But Bird couldn't tell Kip. Her party was a surprise.
What am I going to do?
Wondered Bird.